Managed Server 101, Fully Managed Dedicated Servers. A managed server is a type of web hosting service where the hosting provider takes care of the technical aspects of running and maintaining your server, such as updates, backups, security, performance, and support. This way, you can focus on your projects and websites without worrying about the server administration. A managed server is suitable for users who need more speed, security, and reliability for their websites, but do not have the time or expertise to manage their own server. Case study: what are fully managed dedicated servers? Fully managed dedicated servers are an excellent choice for businesses or individuals who require high-performance hosting without the burden of server management. With fully managed dedicated servers, the hosting provider takes care of hardware maintenance, server monitoring, security updates, and other administrative tasks, allowing you to focus on your website or application. Here are some providers that offer fully managed dedicated servers. 1. Liquid Web *, known for high-performance managed hosting. Offers fully managed dedicated servers with 24/7 support. Includes features like DDoS protection and automatic backups. 2. InMotion Hosting *, provides fully managed dedicated servers with proactive monitoring. Offers free server management, cPanel, and WHM. 3. SiteGround *, known for excellent support and performance. Offers fully managed dedicated servers with proactive monitoring. Includes a range of security features. 4. HostGator *, offers fully managed dedicated servers with root access. 24/7/365 server monitoring and support. 5. Bluehost *, known for WordPress hosting but also provides dedicated servers. Fully managed servers with 24/7 support. 6. A2 Hosting *, provides fully managed dedicated servers with root access. Features like server rewind backups and free server migration. 7. Rackspace *, a well-known managed hosting provider. Offers dedicated hosting with various managed services. When considering a fully managed dedicated server, it's essential to look into the specific features offered, such as security measures, performance optimization, and the level of customer support provided. Additionally, consider your technical requirements and budget when selecting a hosting provider. Always check for recent reviews and testimonials to ensure that the provider meets your expectations.